Come on, talk. Yay. You love talking to your bear, huh? What are you doing? Are you having conversation with your bear? Huh? Yay. It's okay. Go talk to your bear again. Go talk to your bear. Go laugh with your bear. Huh? Come on. Go laugh with him. Ooh, you're saying hi. Hi, bear. Hi, bear. Oh, so sweet. Don't get antsy. Don't get antsy. Come on. Talk to your bear again. Talk to the yellow bear. There. Ooh. Okay, mommy's gonna stop, okay? Mommy's gonna pretend that mommy didn't see you talking to your bear. Because apparently you get distracted. Huh? Okay. See ya. What is wrong with this shit? Oh, I'm so sick of my phone.